Hello students, today we will discuss continuing the exercise number 1.1 chapter number 1, that is real numbers, right? In my previous lectures I have discussed a few courses and concept regarding the real number Euclid division lemma and Euclid's algorithm, right? By using this Euclid division lemma, we have to solve that. I have taken question number 2, shows that any positive odd integer is of the form of 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5, where q is a some integer by Euclid division lemma. So we using Euclid division lemma, where I suppose that a is a integer, a is an integer, and from these observations can I take b equals to 6. So by comparing Euclid division lemma, a equals to bq plus remainder r, where a equals to, in the place of b can I write 6q plus 1 according to this. Like similarly, like 6q plus 2, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 4, here double, and similarly 6q plus 5. So one thing you have noticed that this first one 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5, these are not completely divisible by 2. So where 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5 are not exactly divisible by 2. Hence we can say these three are odd integers in the form of q, 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5, where 6q plus 2 and 6q plus 4 will be completely divisible by 2. So if it is divisible, then it becomes even number. If it's not divisible, it is a odd integer. Hence, so you can easily write over here, right? Now move on to next question number 4. Question number 3 already solved in my previous video. You can go through that video, you will find the solutions, right? Now question number 4, so that the square of any positive integer is either of the form of 3m or 3m plus 1, right, where m is an integer. I suppose I'm going to solve it, right? So in the solutions, let's a any positive integer, and according to this can I take b equals to 3, right? So I suppose a equals to here I can write 3q or 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2 as the hint given in your book also, right, NCERT book. So I have taken, suppose a equals to 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2, right? So just square of this, because he's saying that na, so that the square of any positive integer either in the form of this or that, right? So by squaring, what you will get, a square this is what 9q square, right or not? So this 9q you can write 3 into 3 square, right? So For that, I suppose this I can write m, where m is any integer. M is any integer. So m is an integer where m equals to 3q square. Similarly, can I write e equals to 3q plus 1. By squaring of this, you will get what? A square means this is square will be 9q square, this is q. A square plus b square means 1 plus 3 2ab, 2 into 3 into 1. What you will get? You will get 9q square plus 1 plus 6q, right? So can I write, just simplify it, you will find 3 common I am taking. You just put 3q square here plus 6q plus 1. We have to write in this form. So can I take what is the common? That is 3 is common. You will get 3q square. This is one. Okay, I have taken single positive. Okay, so 3, 9 and 6. What is common? 3 is common. Here is 3 remain, will be 2q, right? Plus 1. So this also I can write 3 into m plus 1, where again m equals to m is any integer. M is an integer. M equals to 3q square plus 2q, as I written over here. I suppose this whole thing says a m, that's why 3m plus 1. Now next one, a square. A square will be 3q plus, what is next? 2. Now square of it, what you will get? You will get what? That is 9, again 9q square plus 4 plus 2 into 3q plus 2, right? 2 into a into a plus b plus 2ab, a square b square plus 2ab. So simply you can write 9q square, right, plus this is multiplication, this is 4 into 12q plus, I can write 3 plus 1, right? 3 and plus 1. This 4 I have split it. So by comparing this one, I am just taking 3 comma here. So this will be 3q square plus 4q plus 1 and remain 1. So this is again, you can write 3 equals to m plus 1, where m is an integer. M is any integer, right? So where m equals to 3q square plus 4q plus 1, right? So in this case, each time this and this, you will find the square of any integer, you will get in the form of what? 3m plus 1, again 3m plus 1. So square of any, I can write square of any integer, in the form of m or m plus 1, right? Now next one, move on to next question, question number 5. This is the last question of exercise number 1.1. Here we have already found square of any positive integer. Now this is a question regarding the cube of any positive integer is in the form of 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8, right? We have to show that by using the Euclid division lemma. So I suppose a is an integer and b is 3. So can we write in the form of, if b is 3, so b q plus r, where we know that what r will be less than equals to 0 or always less than to b. So each number is integer, any integer will be in three form like a equals to 3q or 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2, right? So each case we will solve here. You will see how they will form, right? So case number 1, can I solve a equals to 3q, right? Then cube it in both the sides, you will get what equals to 27 q3 is equals to, if I take 3 comma here, what you will get, this will be 9q, right? So I suppose what this I can write 3 equals to m, where m is a integer, such as m equals to 9q the power q, right? Similarly, case number, I'm writing case number 2. Here I can write a equals to 3q plus 1. Cube in both the sides, you will get what, a cube, that is 3q plus 1 the power cube, right? From the identities we know that what is the identity, that is a plus b cube. You have to remember this, right? A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, right? Either in this form, right? So by comparing this identity, can I put the values? This is the a, in the place of a what is here 3q, in the place of b what is here, this is 1. So can I write this is 27 q the power q plus 1 plus, what will you get? You will get 27 q square plus 9. I am adjusting all these things, plus 27 q square plus 9 plus 1. What you will get? Take common 3 here in all these things, right? So sorry, what is common here? This is common in 9 is a common here, take. So what you will get, this will be 3q plus 3q square plus 1 plus 1, where this whole terms I consider as a m plus 1. M is an integer such as m equals to 3q plus 3q square plus 1. Similarly, this is the same related to your previous questions, right? Now case number 3, a equals to 3q plus 2. After queuing in the both side, what you will get, let's see, this is 2, this is q, so you will get what, you will get same things. I can just compare these identities. You will get 27 the power q plus 8 plus 3 into a square, means 3 into 9q square, right? 3 into a square into b. What is b? That is 2 plus 3ab square. So can I write 3 into 3q plus 2 into 2 square, right? So this is 27q, this is what, 2 into 6 into 9, 54q square plus this is 4 9, that is 36q plus 8 remain here, plus 8 remain here, right? So you just take what is the common in between these two. You can write m, and 9 is the common. You will get 3q plus 6 square plus 6q plus 8, where 9, this whole terms I am replacing by 9 plus 8. Now you will see this is again, right, where m is an integer, such as m equals to, can I write 3q square, this whole thing, 3k square plus 6k square plus 6q, right? This whole term I taken as a m. So in all three cases you will see what is the form, 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8, or you can either in this form, or you can take if you take 9 common here, you will find what, 3q square, right? So 9m, m is a 3q square, right? So similarly these three cases, either this and this, you will find by cube, and all these three cases you will find this 9m plus 1 or 9 plus 8, means what, cube of any positive integer you will get in the form of 9m plus 1 and 9m plus 8, right? So keep watching for next exercise number 1.2, right? Thanks for watching.